1. What major space project is ISRO working on post Chandrayaan 3? Correct answer A. Gaganyaan, India's first human spaceflight mission. Explanation: after the success of Chandrayaan 3, ISRO is focusing on Gaganyaan, India's first human spaceflight mission, which aims to send astronauts into space and establish India's capabilities in manned space exploration. Number 2. What major change did SEBI introduce in the Alternative Investment Fund AIF regulations? Correct answer D. Separate category for Special Situations Funds SSFS. Explanation: SEBI introduced Special Situations Funds SSFs as a new category under AIF regulations, allowing investments in distressed assets, stressed companies, and NPAs. This aims to improve credit recovery and strengthen capital markets. Number 3. How does the Basel III framework impact Indian banks? Correct answer B. Increases capital requirements and risk management standards. Explanation: Basel III introduces stricter capital adequacy and liquidity risk management rules, requiring Indian banks to hold more capital to absorb financial shocks, thus ensuring greater banking stability and reducing systemic risks. Number 4. What is the primary objective of India's account aggregator AA framework? Correct answer B. To enable seamless sharing of financial data between entities. Explanation: the account aggregator or AA framework facilitates the secure sharing of financial data among banks, NBFCs, and fintech companies with customer consent, enhancing financial inclusion and credit accessibility. Number 5. How does RBI's e-rupee differ from UPI payments? Correct answer A. E-rupee is programmable and does not require bank accounts. Explanation: unlike UPI, which facilitates bank-based digital transactions, e-rupee CBDC is a digital currency issued directly by the RBI, enabling offline payments and programmable money without reliance on traditional banking. Number 6. What is the significance of India's inclusion in JP Morgan's Government Bond Index? Correct answer A. Increases foreign investments in government securities. Explanation: India's inclusion in JP Morgan's Government Bond Index boosts foreign capital inflows into Indian government bonds, reducing borrowing costs and enhancing market depth. Number 7. What is a major risk of India's high current account deficit? CAD. Correct answer are rupee depreciation and external vulnerability. Explanation: a high CAD leads to higher external debt and rupee depreciation, making India vulnerable to global financial shocks and increasing import costs. Number 8. How does the RBI's variable rate reverse repo (VRR) benefit liquidity management? Correct answer A. Controls excess money supply in banking system. Explanation: VRRR is used by RBI to absorb excess liquidity, preventing inflation while allowing banks to earn higher returns on surplus funds. Number 9. Why are PSU banks mandated to maintain higher capital adequacy ratios (CAR? Correct answer A. To align with Basel III norms. Explanation: PSU banks must maintain higher CAR to comply with Basel III norms, ensuring financial stability, absorbing credit risks, and reducing the need for government bailouts. Number 10. What is the primary objective of the PM Vishwakarma scheme? Correct answer B. Providing financial support to traditional artisans. Explanation: the PM Vishwakarma scheme provides collateral-free credit, skill training, and financial assistance to traditional artisans and craftsmen, ensuring sustainable livelihoods and preserving India's heritage-based occupations. Number 11. How does the Vibrant Villages program differ from previous border development schemes? Correct answer A. Focuses on developing strategic border villages. Explanation: unlike earlier schemes, the Vibrant Villages program prioritizes infrastructure, connectivity, and livelihood development in border areas to counter depopulation and strengthen India's security in sensitive regions. Number 12. Why did India withdraw from the RCEP but Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership? Correct answer A. Concerns over trade deficit and domestic industry protection. Explanation: India feared an increased trade deficit due to cheap Chinese imports and lack of protection for domestic industries, leading to its withdrawal from the world's largest trade pact. Number 13. Why is the India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor IMEC a game changer? Correct answer. I. Reduces dependency on China's Belt and Road Initiative. Explanation. IMEC offers a strategic alternative to China's Belt and Road Initiative BRE, enhancing India's connectivity with the Middle East and Europe through rail and port linkages. Number 14. Why is the Jal Jeevan Mission crucial for rural India? Correct answer. A. Provides tap water connections to all rural households. Explanation. The Jal Jeevan Mission ensures universal rural access to clean drinking water, addressing waterborne diseases and improving hygiene in rural communities. Number 15. What is the main reason behind the push for Chief Minister level Gati Shakti plans? Correct answer. A. Synchronizing state and central infrastructure projects. Explanation. State level Gati Shakti plans ensure better coordination between central and state infrastructure projects, avoiding cost overruns and delays in transport and logistics development. Number 16. What is the significance of the Quad Alliance for India? Correct answer. A. Strengthens India's Indo-Pacific security. Explanation. The Quad, India, USA, Japan, Australia, enhances Indo-Pacific security and counters Chinese influence with a focus on maritime security, technology and supply chain resilience. Number 17. Why has India refused to sign the OECD Global Minimum Tax Agreement? Correct answer. A. To protect domestic tax incentives. Explanation. India offers tax incentives to attract foreign investments, which may be affected by a global minimum tax, impacting India's tax competitiveness. Number 18. Why has India strengthened ties with ASEAN nations? Correct answer. A. To counter China's influence in the Indo-Pacific. Explanation. India's Act East policy deepens economic and defense ties with ASEAN, balancing China's growing presence in the region. Number 19. What is the significance of India's FTA with the UAE? Correct answer. A. Provides zero duty market access to Indian exports. Explanation. The FTA, Free Trade Agreement with UAE, boosts India's textile, jewelry, and electronics exports, strengthening economic ties. Number 20. Why is India's membership in the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework (IPEF) important? Correct answer. A. Diversifies trade partnerships beyond China. Explanation. IPEF provides India with strategic trade alternatives, reducing over-reliance on China and strengthening supply chains. Number 21. What is the significance of the Anusandhan National Research Foundation for India? Correct answer. Strengthens India's R&D and innovation ecosystem. Explanation. This foundation aims to bridge the gap between industry and academia, funding advanced research in AI, semiconductor technology, space, and biotech, promoting India's scientific leadership. Number 22. Why did India launch the UPI-Pay Now linkage with Singapore? Correct answer. A. To enable real-time cross-border transactions. Explanation. The UPI Pay Now linkage allows instant and cost-effective fund transfers between India and Singapore, boosting financial inclusion and bilateral trade. Number 23. How does the Lakhpati Didi scheme empower rural women? Correct answer. A. Provides skill training for economic independence. Explanation. This initiative focuses on financial empowerment by training rural women in entrepreneurship and self-employment, ensuring an annual income of 1 lakh rupees per woman. Number 24. What role does India play in the Blue Pacific Partnership? Correct answer. I line the answer. A. Strengthens maritime security in the Pacific region. Explanation. India's involvement in the Blue Pacific Partnership ensures security and economic cooperation with Pacific nations, countering China's growing influence in the Indo-Pacific. Number 25. What is the impact of India's RuPay card expansion in international markets? Correct answer. A. Reduces reliance on Visa and MasterCard. Explanation. RuPay expansion strengthens India's payment ecosystem, reducing dependency on global payment networks, lowering transaction costs, and enhancing financial sovereignty. Number 26. What is the significance of the Mera Bill Mera Adhikar scheme? Correct answer. A. Encourages consumers to demand GST invoices. Explanation: this scheme promotes tax compliance by encouraging consumers to demand proper GST invoices, reducing tax evasion and strengthening government revenue collection. Number 27. Why has India introduced the PMPRANAM scheme? Correct answer: B. Reduces dependency on chemical fertilizers. Explanation: the PMPRANAM scheme incentivizes states to reduce chemical fertilizer usage, promoting organic and sustainable farming practices, ensuring long term soil health and food security. Number 28. What is the primary objective of the Shrestha scheme for scheduled castes? Correct answer: C. Provides quality education in top schools. Explanation: the Shrestha scheme ensures meritorious SC students get access to quality private school education, promoting social mobility and reducing the education gap. Number 29. How does India's Lifestyle for Environment initiative contribute to global climate action? Correct answer: B. Promotes sustainable consumer habits. Explanation: the LIFE initiative encourages individuals and businesses to adopt sustainable lifestyles, focusing on waste reduction, energy conservation, and eco friendly practices. Number 30. What is the significance of India's UPI expansion in Gulf nations? Correct answer: D. Strengthens India's fintech leadership globally. Explanation: UPI expansion in the Gulf allows seamless cross border transactions, supporting millions of Indian expatriates and boosting digital payment acceptance globally. Thank you. Something exciting is coming soon. Are you ready? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you next time.